Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss RSI and relative volume. So the reason for this video because I use relative strength index and relative volume for this particular of data analysis that I will show you today. So friends, you can see I have added high. So this is only for this video. So this is the high price, closing price for that particular day. So we have high price for, you can see here. So this is only for this video because I want to explain the purpose of relative strength index and relative volume. So friends, you know my model. If you don't know, please follow my regression playlist. So I have added all my technical in my regression model. You see friend, this is the closing price and this is predicted value by the model, and this is the difference. So when the difference stock is in the downtrend and difference between the closing price and our model price is getting narrow and narrow. Here price difference between the model and closing price for that date is almost 1. Yeah, so I entered at that day. I bought around 350 somewhere buying price, yeah, for that day because then this was very narrow difference. I can predict from my model past history if I see, because right now I have model data for only 25 days, but if I show you data for 1 year, I will see all these kind of patterns. When the closing price between closing price and predicted values get narrow, we have very bullish signal after this kind of pattern. Friends, I bought my position at this point, but next day it remained the same. But I haven't saw this due to my busy day at work, but I will explain you at that day, the next day, when I bought on this day, 23rd of January, on 24th, this stock high was around 10,700. So it's almost 300 difference from my buying price, 300 and half. But if I was not busy at that day, surely I will sold it above 600. But you can see at that day, the price went to 10,700 around, but it closed around here. It closed around the same price here. But next day, today, I can see the stock was all around at the bottom. It was around 10,100, but at the closing time of market, it went very quickly. So now I will discuss why I look at RSI and relative volume, friends. You can see here relative volume and RSI. It was at 35, 33, 32, 33, but here you can see it suddenly went to 39 and the relative volume also went up. So friends, you can see here relative strength index is around 39, which is higher than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. So around 10 days it's higher, and also you can see relative. So something is happening smart. Either this price will go up here around 11 and at 10,800. It will not go straight up, but it will go like this here. It will go like this in maybe this week, because today is Monday and I can see the relative strength index went up and relative volume, it's also high on Monday. So friends, you can see my chart as I explained earlier. It was here, but right now today it is crossing our model price. So maybe we have this around this green, above green at the end of this week. So I will make another video on Friday if it is or somewhere here or here or maybe here, but I will keep an eye because right now it's above my price. So if it goes somewhere here, I will around 11,000 I will sell if it go in this week. But from my past, I can see when the price go up, it will consolidate, come down from our regression line or a model line, it go up down. But when it's in the solid uptrend, then you can see the regression line is in 45-30 degree. Can you see it? But right now it's bended, it's consolidating, or what do you say? It will go like this. If it is bended to 30-40 angle, then these both will be in the uptrend. But right now closing price is going want to go up, regression line is down. But at that point regression will also go and follow this closing price. Friend, it will be like this. So when this regression line is in uptrend and closing price is also somewhere here. So this means both are in up. Regression line will want to catch this closing price here. It will go up and catch this closing price. So this is in both are in the uptrend. And at that time model will be very bullish. Here you can see price is in uptrend and closing price went sharply up, and model price will want to catch this. At some point they will converge, they will meet. Maybe it go down or it go up similarly here, but that is the selling point. So if we have this move like max 1000 cron move, and when model converges with the closing price, this is the point to sell. You can see it came here and then went up again. I try to buy somewhere here. Right now I am in the stock, so this is the position. I don't buy somewhere at the up. We don't know, maybe it came down some like here. But if it go down from here somewhere around 10,000, 9,800, so I will average here somewhere here. But right now, friends, it seems to move up to 10, 11,000. But it will go up like this and here. It will go up and down from my past experience on Mars because I traded heavily on this stock for last 1-2 years. So friend, if we see weekly chart, Max weekly chart, what does it says? Okay, weekly chart we can see on this week it is up. Weekly price is up. So the closing price for today Monday is up from the last Friday, and we can see the model price is down from the previous, but today is the Monday, maybe it recover. So most probably it will go around 11,000. That is what my prediction from the model and data analysis of this model. So friends, this is what we have, very interesting signal here, and how I use my RSI and relative volume. We can see it's closed yesterday on Friday around, it is not closing price, sorry, it the high price. So meanwhile during day it went to 10,700, but it was fallen today to 10,100 around this price. But still it recovered heavily for in last 1 hour, and the relative volume was also very high. So someone has bought 10,000 around 10,100, and this price went up today sharply to 10,500. And you can see relative volume. You can see relative volume is very high for today, and also the relative strength index is high for higher than last 10 days. It's around 35 and 36, and this is the signal. So we can say this is the support. So if from here stock fell down, so the next time it will go from here. So we have 10,100. This is the strong support for from today data, because we can see there was high buying at that point, and price moved up after buying to 10,500. So I am very bullish this week on max. Maybe it go around 11,500 more, and I have some position here. So that's what we have, friends.